Hey, are you a builder? Are you looking to know how, maybe see if there's moisture in, well, I don't know, maybe the wood or gypsum or even mortar? Well, stick around today when we review you. We're going to show you exactly how to do that. So I've got a pin here by a company called TESMEN, and it's the pin type moisture meter TWM-186. And today we review you. Yeah, so welcome back to the channel. Christy's off right now today doing her thing, and I've got a box that came in the mail today. So I went ahead and opened it up. I'm going to set it to the side. I'm going to show you what I got. So as I said, this company, and I have spoke, it's TESMEN, TESMEN, and I had volunteered to do a review on their pin type moisture meter. It's the TWM-186. And if you check this out, don't fast forward, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you now. They've been gracious enough to give us a discount. So if you check the description, you're going to see a discount for this product. And I really do appreciate you doing that for our subscribers. And so let's go and let's talk about what this pin is, what it's for, and what it does. So I went ahead and unboxed, as you can see. I know some YouTubers like to go through the whole unboxing. Leave a comment, let me know, do you want to see the whole entire unboxing? I'll do it for you now. Look, ooh. But no, inside the box, it's very simple. They do give you the batteries that you need, 2 AAA batteries that do come with it. It's very simple to put them in the bottom, unscrew the cap. On the back of it, it actually shows you the directions of where the batteries go, which direction. And it looks like if you hold it down, they do face down towards the bottom of the meter. As you look at the meter, I went ahead and turned the display on. It's got a bright green display. There is a sticker over the top of it, which I've left on. And if you look at the bottom of it, all you do is simply remove the cap. Forgive me, my fingers don't work like they used to. And there you go. There is the 2 little end points. And inside, I did notice, I went ahead and put this away because it was quite a large pamphlet, but I went ahead and opened it up, and I wanted to tell you, inside, you'll definitely want to get familiar with this if you've never used one before, but it does tell you completely, this is their user manual, and it's very simple. You put the batteries in, as I've done, turn the power on. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off and show you. It's right on the very top, right up here. Can you see that? All you do is just press and hold that for just a second. The power does come on. And then what it tells you is decide which particular type of material you're going to actually be testing. And because I've never used one of these, I don't want to feel like I know what this really does and is. But as an end user, I figured it out quite quickly, and you can too. It tells you right on here if you have a material type 1 through 7. So if you look at the bottom, there's an M. That's for your material type. As you press it, it would be for, in fact, material 1 is, in fact, excuse me, I'm so sorry, I've got the wrong language on here. Material 1, oh, I'm sorry, I had it marked here a minute ago and now I've changed it. Here's the cool thing I'll tell you now, it's in multi-languages, so if it's not the language you seek, well, look again, you might find it. Let's see where it popped up. Here it is, I'm so sorry, fold it here on the bottom. The material is 1 for wood, and that would be for like your beech, your spruce, particular. In fact, they've already got it limited down to tell you exactly. So sounds to me like if you're a wood floor installer, maybe there's a question about water in the wood, you'd be able to do so with this. Oak, pine maple, ash, Douglas, etc. That would be on material 2 or the M2 setting. As you go down from wood, then it goes into the category called building materials, and that would be for your cement, mortar, concrete. Second one on material 4 would be your anhydrous gypsum mortar layer. 5, I believe that would be your drywall. Correct me if I'm wrong, leave a comment. 5 would be cement mortar. 8, I don't know, I'm sorry, they jumped up. I'm so sorry, it's 6 is lime mortar or gypsum, which I believe again would be your drywall. If I'm wrong, leave a comment. And 7 is brick. So with one little handy pin, you can test multi-product. Wood flooring all the way to concrete. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I'm not a builder in any way, but I do think that that would be very handy. So again, this pin from a company called TESMEN, TESMEN. There is the description and the direct link if you want to order it. Feel free to use the coupon code that they've given so that you can take advantage of one of these for yourself. But I will tell you that I did try it on the wall. I did select it. It gave me a small percentage near my, believe it or not, washer and dryer in my laundry room, and it gave me a very, very low reading. You are able to save that reading. I guess if maybe you need to show an insurance company, or maybe you need to show the people that have you out doing the inspection or test. It does allow you to save those readings, but pretty cool device. And again, since I don't know enough about the products or know enough about the why you actually need the application, I went ahead and looked it up, and I think it's very smart. A multimeter, like an electrical multimeter, that senses moisture. Really, really awesome idea. And again, when you're finished, you can simply just turn that off. It takes a second to press the button to turn it off. It asks you to place the cap back over it so it's safe, and that's what it looks like. It does look like a little pin, so you could clip it on if you're a builder. Looks like it's very rugged. It's made out of a very durable, heavy-duty plastic. It's not very heavy. Well, hello, baby girl. Are you wanting to check out this? This is a moisture meter by a company named TESMEN. Look, everybody, baby girl decided to come on and say hello. That's our English Labrador baby girl. Hello. And she likes to do reviews as well. Hint, hint, wink, wink. If you have something, a dog product, and you would like baby girl to review it, she'd love to do it. All right, so, again, I won't claim that I know exactly what I would be looking for, but this is my wall inside the house near the laundry room, as I said. And I figured I'd go ahead and show you guys. So you'd want to press the M button to selection number 4, I believe it said. So number 4 would be for drywall. And then we're just going to take that and we're going to place that right up against the wall. Can you see that? We're going to go ahead and push the button right now. And I don't get a reading right off the bat. And so when I looked at that, that would indicate, I guess, no moisture or 0 moisture. I'm going to go back and I'm going to try another spot. 0 reading. So I'm going to push this off and I'm going to change it to number 7 because there is 2 settings for drywall. I'm going to try that again. Still have low readings. So again, what that's showing is a percentage of there's no moisture from what I've read. If I'm wrong, again, feel free to correct me, but from what I'm seeing on there, I'm getting a 0 moisture reading. Pause that from, oh, there we went. I touched my finger. I did notice it went up to like an 11.2, so it definitely can sense moisture. It is recommended that you place it on there and leave it for just a second while it's doing its little sensing, so I've done that. And again, it takes like a thermometer reading. Pretty bloody cool if you ask me. Now, I will switch it over for wood. Oh, and you'll notice I got a quick little reading there. I'm going to put it on the wood and just see. Nope, there's no moisture in that wood. I'll go over here and just see if there's anywhere that there's moisture. Near the laundry room, I figured I would get something, but nothing else is showing up. So again, I'm doing good. I have no moisture in my wall. Oh, saw my hand again and sensed. So it does work. You saw it jumping there. It's sensing in my hands moisture. So if there would be any type of moisture, as you can see displaying right there, it's sensing in my hand. Ooh, that's what I wanted to get it to do. See it change the color? So that is where you get the indication that there is moisture in the wall. And if you read the manual, it will tell you that it is sensing this and it's giving you an indication. I believe there's green and then orange and then red for severe moisture. Check that out. So my hand has got moisture in it. Yay! See how that works? Mm-hmm. Here is that manual in multi-languages. There is some QR codes that you can scan to get a product review and overview of. I went ahead and will break it down for you now. Here's exactly what I was talking about. Tells you the different wood measurement references while you're getting used to it, I guess calibrate it. And you'll see where it says display indications, red backlight, orange backlight, green backlight. And it'll tell you exactly how much. So if it's a high reading above 24%, you'll get a red reading. A 15 to 24% would be an orange backlight, and then if it's less than a 15%, it will remain in the green. What I thought was pretty cool, as you saw when I put my hand out and I actually applied that, as soon as I touched that to my hand, as you can see here, I'll put my hand down here, and I will put the meter out here. Hopefully you can see at the same time. And let's see if I can do this and show you guys real quickly. Should be able to. Ready? So as soon as I apply it to my hand where there is moisture, see the reading? See it automatically spiking up and it's in orange. And then immediately I pull it away and it goes right back down. Very sensitive. So as soon as it comes in contact with a reading of moisture, it will show you that quite quickly. See? All right. And as you can see in the foreground, more boxes waiting for more reviews coming up right here on We Review You. Stand by. Final conclusion. So anyway, in conclusion, I think this is a really awesome device. It's the TWM-186, and it says wood moisture meter. But it does show in here that you can use it for a range of measurements, and it does show you that it does give you an accuracy of anywhere between a 0.00. Well, I'll let you read it for yourself because, again, I don't want to tell you that, but all the way up to a plus 2% range. If you know more about that, what that meant. So if you're looking again for something that would measure, if you're a wood floor installer, maybe a vinyl installer doing a wood floor, and there's any question about moisture, again, maybe you'd like to consider this pin. There's a discount code in the bottom. I hope you guys can get one today. Great product. Or I'll tell you what, how about you leave a comment and say, here's what you're looking for, try it out, and I'll do another video with your suggestions. Sound fair? Right here on We Review You. Thanks for watching. We can't tell you enough how much we appreciate all you new subscribers, and we can't wait to offer you a lot of new videos coming up, like this product from TESMEN, right here on We Review You. Ain't that right, baby girl? She's got a new toy. Thanks a lot. Appreciate you watching, and Christy and I'll be back for more videos right here very soon. See y'all. Take care.